Hello everyone, you're on the Crypto House channel, continuing to reviews various crypto curiosity exchanges. Today I would like to tell you about the CoinEx trading platform, which is one of the most updated for beginners and allows you to enter the world of the cryptocurrency without unnecessary complications. The CoinEx exchange was founded in 2017, and today it is one of the oldest crypto platforms that has been successfully operating for many years and has millions of customers around the world. It is also important to note that CoinEx is a safe and reliable platform in all the years operation and has never been hacked, and CoinEx has $2 billion in reserves on its balance sheets, which are officially confirmed through MerrilyTree and third-party aggregators like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. On the CoinEx exchange itself, users have several opportunities at once for both passive and active earning of cryptocurrencies. First, of course, the CoinEx exchange offers its users the possibility of spot trading. Here you can already enter into transactions using limit market, stop limit and stop market orders, setting your own price and conditions for the execution of the transaction. CoinEx currently lists 671 cryptocurrencies and more than 1,000 trading pairs, and the daily trading volume on CoinEx is estimated at tens and hundreds of millions of dollars. If you want to get a higher income from trading, the contract market of the CoinEx exchange will help you with this. It presents several dozen perpetual futures for all the most popular crypto assets. Most of the futures here are collateralized in the USDT stablecoin, but for Bitcoin and Ethereum there are also reserve contracts where you can provide collateral for the underlying assets. Futures trading can generate more income through the use of leverage, which can be as high as 100x on CoinEx, both in isolation and in cross mode. Also, recently CoinEx has the ability to automate the purchase of assets through an auto investment system that allows anyone to create balanced portfolios of assets without manual purchase. Plus, a great trading system will soon be launched, which will allow you to both buy and sell assets in a fully automatic mode. And for lovers of passive income, there is a financial section on CoinEx where you can send many popular assets to saving deposits and receiving regular income from them, up to 3.3% on full liabilities. And at the same time, as I said at the beginning of this video, the CoinEx exchange is very optimized for beginners. Despite the fact that the exchange has a wide variety of tools for earning, it will not be difficult to deal with them. Recently, the CoinEx team launched a special area for beginners. This is a special page on the CoinEx website and app that contains a step-by-step guide to getting started with the exchange, as well as a series of video guides on all the main features of the exchange. Also, in the zone for beginners, there is a section with basic tips on security and increasing profitability. And the best of all, the newbie zone users can also receive bonuses from the CoinEx exchange. Of course, bonuses are available only to new users who haven't previously had an account on CoinEx. If you don't have an account on this exchange yet, you can create one right now using the link in the description. It's very easy to do. You only need to enter your email address and password. After that, the platform will ask you if you are new to cryptocurrencies or if you are already an experienced user. You can select the newbie option and then go to a special area for new users. Here you just have to click on the button to receive the bonus and go through the captcha, after which a cashback voucher for 5 USDT will appear in your account, which will help you save on CoinEx exchange commissions. Just don't forget to activate your voucher after receiving it so that it starts working. And even if you don't have a cryptocurrency yet, you can buy it directly on CoinEx for fiat using many built-in payment system for this purchased cryptocurrency can then be very simply exchanged for other assets in just a couple of clicks using a convenient interface on the swap page where there are no complex charts and orders. You can find more details about the CoinEx exchange on the official website and the referral link to which I will leave in the description of this video. There will also be links to CoinEx social networks. I advise you to subscribe to them in order to quickly track up-to-date information about the exchange. Just don't forget that any investment in cryptocurrency is associated with high risk and you should definitely do your own research before making an investment. That's all for now. Thank you for your attention. The Crypto House channel was with you, a place of new technologies. See you soon. Bye bye.